Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. In the last video we made the cart page dynamic and also changed few things in products page too. In today's video we will work on remove cart items functionality. Let's get started now. As we are in the same file, here in the remove button code, add a on-click listener. This listener will have a method delete cart item and we will pass the current product to him. Alright, now create that method above. This method will have a params product ID and the type will be number. Now create a variable below which will store the updated cart products. Here we will filter all the cart products we have and remove those product which product ID is matched. Below, we will set the updated cart products as cart products. Finally, in the last section, we will store the updated products again in the local storage. In this way, the current stored products will be replaced with the updated products. Before checking the changes in the browser, there is one bug, which we don't need to pass the whole product to our method. We just need to pass the ID of the product which needed to be deleted. Always remember one thing: when you delete something, you need to pass the unique value to delete something, otherwise it will delete every item which contain that value. Alright, now let's check the changes in the browser now. Add some products first. Click on cart icon. I'll delete the middle product which have a price $78. As you can see, it's removed now. Great, it's working fine now. In the next video we will work on showing total price in our cart page. That's it for now. If you guys like my series so far, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next videos. Happy coding!